Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Johnny Lawrence from the new show Cobra Kai. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this character, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in his eye shape first. So we're just going to draw in 2 little curves like this. This will be the top of the eyelid. And then from here, just draw almost like a half circle just right underneath. On the corner here, I'm going to add a little circle. That's going to be my highlight, and I'll shade around it. Alright, so once we have this, we can draw in the eyebrow. So right over the eyes, just go up. Just kind of dip back down on the ends. So hopefully this will kind of look like him, right? I know it's really hard to make a cartoon character of a real person. And then I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker. Alright, and then from here we're gonna draw in, just come down to draw his nose. So right in the middle down here, 1 little curve. And then for his mouth, I'm gonna give him a slight smile here, just curve up. On the side right here, it's one little curve. And then to finish up the lower lip, just one little line here. Alright, so once we have the features, now let's go ahead and enclose it with the shape of the face. So just come out to the side right here. So just slant it in, stop right around here. And then from this point here, now we'll come down to finish up the jawline, all the way down to the chin, and then just close it off. Okay, and then let's come back up here. For the headband, just go all the way across. And since we're here, let's go ahead and finish up the ear. So right on the side of the eye right here, just come out. Just draw one little curve. Alright, so now we're going to go up and draw in the head shape first, and then we'll draw in the hair. So we're going to come out to the side here, behind the ear, go up, stop right here, and then close it off. This part's a little bit tricky, just kind of round it up. Okay, it's almost like wearing a baseball hat. Alright, and then from here we can draw in, now we can draw in the hair. So just come in the middle right here, just come up. You can make a little point. This side's gonna curve down. And then this side's gonna go this way, a little bit shorter. Okay, and then once you have these two curves, so this is gonna be right in the middle, and it's got very distinct looking hair. So just come out on this side here, come across, curve up, we'll just stop there. And then on this side, come across, curve up, and then whatever space you have here, just come down, and then just go out. Okay, and then now to finish up the strands right here, continue with this curve, go up this way, and now I'm going to draw one smooth curve coming down following this curve. So I'm going to start here and just kind of curve to the tip right here. That'll give you a nice little flow. And then on this side, it's going to curve this way. Alright, and then let's draw one little line here straight across to finish up the bandana here, and then right on the side, just go up, just kind of close everything off. Alright, so that's the head. That's definitely the trickiest part. The body's gonna be a lot easier. So his neck's gonna be right around here. You make two little points, and then now for his clothing, come down nice and sharp. Come back up here for the shoulders, nice and wide. Pinch it in to the waist, to the belt. And then we'll close that off first. And then down here, for a little knot, just draw a little bracket like this, close it off. To finish up the belt, come straight down, let's go across. Alright, and we can finish this part right here. We're going to continue with this curve, go all the way down, and let's give it a nice little border right here. So same thing on this side. So these are really easy to draw. And of course we got to add in the logo, so just one circle. Alright, so we'll finish up the details later. Let's go ahead and continue down, and I'm going to draw part of the clothing down here first. Draw the little cloth. So just flare out and then just close it off. Come over here, come down, just come across, and just tuck it right behind the first one. Alright, and then to finish this part, just curve out. Just come across and close it off. So the leg's gonna be down here. Okay, so before I draw the legs, let's come back up here and finish up the arms. So the armpit's gonna be a little bit lower, it's gonna be right around here. Go back to the shoulder, curve down. Inside here, curve, So here's the elbow. And then now for the lower arm, just one long bracket to stop here. And then now for the fist. Okay, we'll keep it simple. One little hook. Here's the back of the fist. Just continue down. Come down and then just tuck it up right behind the thumb. And then one little line here for the other fingers. Okay, so let's try again on this side. Shoulder just come down, inside, elbow, and then again bracket, long bracket, and you can use the other side for reference so you know how far down to go. Same thing here. One little hook for the thumb, and then here's the back of the fist. Come down, go up. And the same thing here, just one little line. Okay, so now let's try the legs. So when I come down right here in the middle, just gotta draw one little curve. So I'm gonna start in the middle right here first. I'm just gonna come down on both sides. Angle in, this is gonna be the knee. So come back out here, come down, and angle in here. So here's the knee. And then on this side, we won't see part of this. So we just come down, come in. And then for the rest of the pants right here, we're gonna make it a little bit baggy. So I'm just gonna bracket like this, bracket, bracket, and then one more on the bottom. And then close it off with a little slant. Okay, so we're gonna come down, little hook. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same because it's supposed to be cloth. So just bracket, bracket, curve. All right, and then now for the foot, come down on the inside, and the outside just come out. Just close it off flat. Come down, and on this side, same thing here. Just go out. And then from here, let's add in a little bit more folding right here. Just from these little corners, just extend the line. All right, so let's come back up here. So this one is supposed to be a fist, but I'm just gonna simplify it. I'm just gonna add in 3 lines. So you can draw more if you like. And that is it for this Johnny Lawrence from Cobra Kai. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to check my website for the coloring page for this drawing. So hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you next time.